Hi guys, today I brought you something new which are awesome and expensive at the same time. But there's a twist, it's all for free. I'm not kidding around. It's all for free. There is something called GitHub Student Developer Pack. And if you're a student and at least 13 years old, you're eligible for the pack. That's simple. Before diving into how to get the pack and how to complete the process, let me say what it includes. It has a vast range of products like developer tools, design tools, and cloud services, and a lot of other products. The pack offers more than 3 lakh rupees worth of courses and developer tools. Yes, it's 3 lakh or more than that. Let me show you something. There is Microsoft Azure with 25 plus services and $100 credits. Canvas Pro is also there. Or do you want to host your own website? There are free premium domains and hosting services with other features. Or do you want to learn new things? The pack offers more than enough courses to make you into an awesome developer. GitHub have collaborated with hundreds of companies to brought you this gift wrapped present. And why not take advantage of it then? Let's start how to get this present and enjoy it for yourself. By the way, all the links are given in the description, so follow through.
Let's start this process and let's get the gift. Okay. As I already have my GitHub account, so I'm just gonna open it. This is my GitHub profile. If you don't have one, just create a GitHub profile with your college mail address or normal email address, which we'll use to get the developer pack later on. If you have a college mail ID, it's more preferred. And this is how a GitHub page look like. Okay. So now, after creating a page or a profile, open up this page. This is the education.github.com. It's given in the description. So let's just get in. As I have already signed in here, you have to sign in with your GitHub credential. Now here comes the important part. As I already have the pack, I just need to re-verify my academic affiliation, but you guys have to open up this option. For you, it may say verify your academic affiliation as it is your first time. This is the offers given by the pack. Okay. There's other offers you get with the pack, such as GitHub Pro and the pack itself and something like that. The Pro feature can be seen in the GitHub profile in the highlight section, under the highlight section. It provides a lot of extra features and it's very useful. The pack also includes a GitHub campus expert training for qualified applications only. But I'm not getting into how to get applied or to apply in this video. Okay, let's just get back to the application part. Then need to put down your email address, the preferred email address that you put down in the GitHub. Okay, as I already have one, I'm just going down. Then you have to write your college name here. And you have to select it from the drop down menu. Okay, now here you have to, in this part you have to write a few words about how do you plan to use the pack and whatsoever. You don't need to write an essay, just make sure to write something relevant at least in this area. After clicking the continue part, you also have to provide some documents such as college ID or anything where the section of your academic period is written, but the ID is preferred. Okay. Make sure to complete this whole process carefully and then wait. Actually, the waiting period is the most important period because it takes up to more than 15 days to 12 months, 2 months. I don't know what it depends on, but as you can see, I have applied twice and I got approved both the times. The first took around, I think, 1 month of waiting, but the next one was within 15 days or less. Also, I have not used my college mail ID both the times, so you can use any email ID if you don't have your college mail ID still yet. After getting approved, try to use every single office you get in the pack, okay? And don't just explore everything. And you can see there's many things, so the office in the pack have its own time periods, okay? Until you sign in into those websites, the offer doesn't start. Just wait and follow this tutorial. Okay. Goodbye and have a nice day, and do subscribe to the channel and like this video, and do give your feedbacks in the comment section.